Good morning from the National Weather Service here in Pocatello. My name is Carter, and this is your Southeast Idaho Weather Hazard Briefing for Sunday, September 4th. We're looking at very dry conditions with above normal temperatures continuing through at least Wednesday, and I'll be breaking that down for you this morning. Key points we're going to focus on today: near record to record heat continues through Wednesday. Did have records set yesterday at Pocatello, Idaho Falls, Burley, and Chalice. And those records range from about 99 degrees to 102 here in Pocatello. And those set all-time September record high temperatures. So this is the warmest it's ever been in September for those periods of records across our climate sites. So a very warm day yesterday, slightly cooler for your Sunday and Monday, but temperatures do warm back up for Tuesday, Wednesday, looking at a near repeat of what we saw yesterday on Wednesday. Do have red flag warnings, heat advisories, and air quality alerts in effect. So we're going to have that very dry and now breezy conditions spreading onto the Snake Plain, Magic Valley, up through the Wood River Valley to the Stanley Basin. That red flag warning will be in effect for this afternoon with gusty winds anywhere from 25 to 40 miles an hour, and plus with continued very dry conditions through Wednesday. So it won't be as breezy over the next couple of days, but certainly something to keep in mind will be that near critical to critical fire weather concerns, at least through next Wednesday. A heat advisory is in effect through Tuesday with high temperatures anywhere from 95 to 105 degrees across much of the Snake Plain, Magic Valley, some of our lower elevation zones further south. With all that wildfire smoke and active wildfires burning in the Central Mountains, we do have an air quality alert from the Idaho Department of Environmental Quality. And that'll be in effect for Custer and Lemhi counties through 3 o'clock on Tuesday. Looking at a dry cold front moving in maybe around that Thursday, Friday time frame as temperatures begin to cool down gradually with a return to some breezy winds and some potentially rain up towards Island Park. We'll be keeping an eye on that for you. Satellite this morning just showing a few clouds working its way up through Montana with clear skies today. May see a few passing clouds generally above 25,000 feet across eastern Idaho today, but no impacts outside of that with skies staying clear. Weather risk outlook for the next 5 days. Main concerns today are going to center around the red flag warning and heat advisory, with the air quality alert again in effect for the Wood River Valley up through the Custer area and Lemhi counties. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, looking at continued warm temperatures. So for your Labor Day, temperatures are going to be, still well above normal in the upper 80s to near 100 degrees through Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, with temperatures at least warming back up. So a slight cool down for today and tomorrow, warming back up for Tuesday and Wednesday, with a slight cool down for your Thursday and a return to some breezy winds. Watches, warnings, and advisories currently in effect across the western United States. Do have a large-scale heat advisory in effect for large portions of the central Great Basin area, and a red flag warning extending north from up towards Canada through Pocatello out towards Twin Falls today. And air quality alert in effect. So this is from the Idaho Department of Environmental Quality. So wildfire smoke in the area is bringing continued air quality impacts. A lot of that southerly winds yesterday forced a lot of that smoke up into Montana. There's a lot degraded air quality, especially up in Montana, but we did see large-scale improvement across much of our southern and eastern portions of the forecast area. Let's look at the wildfires currently burning in and around the region. So just a roundup with the name of wildfires, size, and containment. And bar 2. Take a look at the fire and smoke map this morning. This can be found at fire.airnow.gov. So you can see that you do have the unhealthy air quality continuing across portions of Custer and Lemhi County, but good air quality back along the I-15, I-84, I-86 corridors this morning, and we're expected to stay that way. Winds will be out of the west-southwest today, so might see a little bit of increased haze and smoke with some of those wildfires burning across the central and western portions of the state, but most of that smoke will be heading up further north into Montana, where you can see the unhealthy is spreading a lot more quickly up there. Here's a look where we can expect that smoke today. So kind of breaking that down, 5, 6, 7 a.m. We'll be having that smoke continue across portions of western and central Idaho with at least skies staying mostly clear further south and east. So throughout the day today should be a light hazy day across much of the Pocatello, Idaho Falls corridor with a lot of the higher concentrations of that smoke and haze remaining further north up in the Central Mountains, generally north of McCall and Chalice. High temperatures and wind gusts today. So overall temperatures will be in the upper 80s to near 95, 96 degrees. So upper 80s and upper 90s as you get towards the Magic Valley, with wind gusts again about 20 to 40 miles an hour. Could see some locally higher gusts out towards the Arco Mud Lake Desert, but outside of that, generally looking again about 20 to 40 miles an hour. High temperatures for your Monday. So we're going to be looking at temperatures fairly similar from what we saw today. So these would be your Labor Day temperatures in the upper 80s to near 100 degrees, with wind gusts again slightly breezy, but nothing above 30 miles an hour. And for your Tuesday afternoon, we're looking at temperatures at least beginning to warm back up. So a slight cool down, if you want to call it that, by a few degrees for Sunday and Monday. But temperatures do warm back up for your Tuesday and Wednesday, with temperatures back in the 90s to low 100s as you get further west into the Magic Valley. Wind gusts again will be not as anything breezy, just staying less than 25 miles an hour. High temperatures on Wednesday. So this is shaping up to be the warmest day of next week. So take what we had yesterday and pretty much carbon copy, repeat that for your Wednesday. Widespread high temperatures in the low 90s to low triple digits. So it'd be 100 degrees here in Pocatello West. Could have some 105s, 102s working their way into the Magic Valley and lower Snake Plain. But outside of that, still looking about 10 to 20 degrees above normal for this time of year. Wind gusts on Wednesday still staying fairly light, generally less than 25 to 30 miles an hour. And for your Thursday, here's where we're going to start cooling down. So temperatures are going to be in the upper 80s to mid 90s for your Thursday afternoon with some stronger wind gusts. We're going to have a dry, cold frontal passage working through, hoping to bring some lower chances for some rainfall across much of the northern portions of the forecast area, with better chances up in Montana. But with those gusty winds and low RHs, could be looking at a fire weather day on Thursday especially. But we do have the colder air moving in behind, which will be slightly, much appreciated. For your Friday, temperatures looking more seasonable, still above normal by about 5 to 10 degrees, but overall temperatures will be in the upper 70s to near 85, 88 degrees. In summer this morning, do that near record to record heat continuing through Wednesday. Yesterday set all 4 of our out of 5 climate sites for new all-time September record high temperatures. So certainly very anomalous, running about 20 to 25 degrees above normal for this time of year yesterday. Do have red flag warnings, heat advisories, and air quality alerts in effect. So it's going to be, fire weather concerns, very warm, and some air quality concerns further north associated with those wildfires. Looking at a dry, cold front passage for Thursday and Friday, maybe a slight chance for some precip further north up towards Island Park and the Montana border region. But outside of that, temperatures will cool down gradually with some gusty winds returning for that period. But that wraps up your weather briefing for today, Sunday, September 4th. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, please feel free to send us an email, give us a call, or check out some information on our website. Have an awesome day.